Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to file for divorce without a lawyer full guide. Start by checking your state residency and basic filing rules, then collect key documents such as bank statements, tax returns, and pay stubs. Next, determine if you and your spouse can agree on terms to pursue an uncontested divorce or whether contested procedures are required. I'll walk you through forms, timelines, and simple negotiation tips to keep costs and stress low. Locate the petition and summons for your local court and review filing instructions carefully before you start. Fill out financial disclosure forms fully, including income, assets, and debts, to ensure accurate division and faster processing. After signing, file your documents with the court clerk, pay the filing fee or request a waiver if you qualify, and arrange for proper service of process to your spouse so the case can proceed smoothly. If you're finding this guide helpful, please subscribe and like to support more useful legal how-tos and updates on self-representation. Quick recommendation: I've been using these leak-proof containers for meal prep, handy for busy days during a move or court schedule, and they make lunches stress-free. Check the description for the link and other deals to grab them if you like, and thanks for the support. Now let's get back to the video. When negotiating, prioritize a clear division plan that covers property, debts, retirement, and savings to avoid future disputes. Consider mediation or a settlement conference to resolve contested issues without court trials, which saves time and money. If children are involved, create a detailed parenting plan that addresses custody, visitation, and child support calculations, and gather supporting documents to present at hearing to help the judge accept your agreement.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.